Everything starts at Neztio.com. Pick your plan, create your password, and start your free trial. One form and you're signed in. No separate login and no waiting. You land in a sample center, filled in so you can explore. Classrooms, attendance, and daily routines already working, so you can see how Neztio feels before adding your own data. Neztio comes with classrooms already set up. Rename them or add your own in the Classrooms tab. Your center is confirmed by email with a quick start guide. One click verifies your account. Welcome to Neztio. Getting set up starts here with a clear checklist for your center. It tells you what comes next and keeps each step simple. Start by adding the children in your care. Select Add Students to open enrollment. Enter the child's name and birthday. Then add their primary guardian's contact information. Add another guardian whenever you need to. When you're ready, switch from the sample center to your own. From here, you're building your real roster. Use Save and add another to keep moving through your list. In just a few fields, your student is enrolled. As you go, the checklist updates to show your progress. Next, invite teachers and staff. They'll receive an email with a link to join. Forms are included from day one: enrollment, medical, photo release, and tuition agreements. Moving from another system or paper records. Download the roster template and import your students together. Keep going step by step until your center is ready. Neztio, calm childcare operations. Start your free trial today.